Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to CMW, or Chad Makes Wet Shaving. And today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I haven't done one of these before, so bear with me a little bit because it's a new thing for me. I'm going to do an unboxing video because as you see, we got the start of the show back here, this giant package, which I actually started to open a little bit because the thing is way heavier than I thought it was. And but before we get any further, I'd just like to say Jerry Plessy, everybody's shave dad, has a serious health battle that he's fighting right now. So I just want to say stay strong, Jerry. Things are going to look up. You're a strong dude, very generous guy. Only positive vibes coming your way, man. Everything's going to be all right. You got a lot of people rooting for you, so stay strong, Jerry. And I guess now we'll move on to the less important stuff. So I got this. Oh man, it's really heavy. I got this package a couple days ago in the mail from Matthew Lawrence. Some of you may know him from his channel, Matthew Shaves. And I'm going to say this about Matthew. He's not going to like it because he's a humble dude. But talk about one of the most generous people that you'll meet in this hobby. So great dude. I really appreciate him doing this for me because he didn't have to. He went above and beyond. And when I open this, I know I'm going to be shocked at all the stuff because, I mean, I'm completely surprised. I don't know what's in here, but I can tell you it's super heavy. So let me finish cutting top off with a little pocket knife that my grandfather gave me. God rest his soul. He passed away a couple of years back. So, but at least I have this knife to remember him. So let's see if I can barely hold it up. That's how heavy it is. Jeez, look at this stuff in here. My God, this is just crazy at the amount of stuff in here. And looking at all of this stuff, there's no way I have time to open each and every one of these things right now. So I think what I'll do is maybe every week I'll open a couple of these things out of here, and I'll make it like I don't know, like a series. And I'll open a couple of things out of here and I'll shave with them maybe. I think that's probably the best course of action because it's a lot of stuff. I will take a couple of things out though first, just to see. I don't have time to shave with anything in here today, but I'll see the blades first. Look at this. I got a big Ziploc full of blades, and we got some awesome blades in here, man. I see some Nasset. I see some big Asters, which I've never used. I'm excited about that because I do want to use some Lamix. So yeah, that's some. Hey, there's my boys, the Tree Dura Sharps blades that I love to use. Nassets, like I said. I mean, there's some awesome stuff in here. Stuff that there's some niche stuff that I can't even say. Nuova. Yeah, Platinum Plus. So yeah, I'm excited to use some of these. There's some Chrome Platinum, which I used one time before. Some Racer. Man, a lot of stuff in here that I'm excited to use that I've Tree Platinum, another one of my go-tos. I mean, it's crazy. Some Bevel. Heard some decent things about these blades. I mean, this is crazy. I could sit here, assured for men, I could sit here all day pulling all of these blades out, but I'm sure not everybody wants to see this. Lattice, heard of these bad boys before too. So, and there's the big Asters. I mean, this is crazy, the amount of different blades I'm going to enjoy trying. The Super Blue Gillettes. Yeah, that's some awesome stuff in here. Yeah, Sharp. I think I have some Sharps in there too, but this is RK. I mean, man, this is just super generous by Matthew. 7 o'clock. This is one that I've been wanting to try that I still haven't tried yet. So believe it or not, I still haven't even tried a feather blade. I have them just sitting there in my cabinet, and I don't know. I just never got around to using it. So I guess there's so much mystique surrounding feather blades that you kind of have to find an occasion almost to want to use it. Lord Cool, dude on skis. I like it. So yeah, that's some awesome stuff. Persona Platinum. I mean, this is just Wilkinson sword, the Gillette Wilkinson swords. I mean, this is crazy. I know I keep saying that, but this is great stuff. Lion. Wow. I don't think they made that noise though. Oh, Darko Prime, Platinum. Yeah, these are some that I actually considered buying because I hear good things about them. So, look, I got blades all over the counter now. I'm gonna stop with that for now, and let's see where I'm gonna go. Look, it's too much stuff. I don't even know where to go with this. I'm gonna open this to see what it is. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning right now, because I have no idea what's in here. Oh, I could tell you, Doppelganger from the Continuum collection from PAA. This is some good stuff here. Yeah, look at this, man. This is brand spanking new. Doppelganger number 2, brand spanking new. This is awesome. Some aftershave. So hopefully the next thing I open in there will be Doppelganger shave soap, because if I have to use that, I hope it matches with whatever I'll pull out of here. So if we do that, I'm gonna go to something that actually looks like a soap. So this looks like a soap, so I'll try to open this and see. I'm gonna use my knife again to try to get some of this tape off without tearing it too much. Got some shaving soap, Le Grand Chypre. I can't say that right, so yeah, I think it's Le Grand Chypre. From Barrister and Mann. So really good stuff. And I don't know, I may open one more, but I'm probably gonna have to shave with this on Sunday, because I do plan to come back on Sunday and do something. I have a razor coming that I ordered, and I'd like to use that in my shave on Sunday. So maybe what I'll do is just leave. It's going to be an open comb razor, so maybe I'll just leave my stubble until then. So if I don't look too ratty by then, but it's killing me. I want to open more stuff. So let me open something that seems like it's a little bit different. Yeah, let's open this. I don't know what it is, so let's see. Oh, this is cool. I got the Presidential Strike Gold Shaves collection right here, Kennedy. And we got, what does this say? Blackberry Mango sample shave soap, and then we got a bunch of little samples here. Captain's Choice Sandalwood Shaving Soap, beautiful. A lot of Captain's Choice Lime. Captain's Choice Lime. So yeah, that should be good. And then Captain's Choice Italian. I do want to smell this one, because this is exciting. But you know what? I can't even open it, because that's how I am. Oh yeah, it's got like an amaretto type smell to it there. I want to smell the lime too while I'm at it. Yeah, that's a nice clean smell. So I guess I have my pick of the litter now of the stuff that I open. Like I said, what I'll do, I'll just probably every week open a couple of more things out of here and try to shave with them. But when I do that, I'll be more prepared, because I'll have time to plan. Now that I know how much stuff is in here, it's amazing. Thank you, Matthew. Good man, very generous. I know you probably don't want to hear that, because you're so humble dude, but very generous guy. And that's what I say all the time about this this hobby we're in. There's so many generous people that are willing to help you and just, you know, whatever you need. I mean, you ask, and a lot of times people are there, you know, to help you out. Or you don't even ask sometimes. You just get stuff that people want to, you know, want to help you out with. So this is very generous and crazy, and I'm pumped up about using all of this stuff, you know. Continuum number 2 aftershave, Le Grand Chypre from Barrister and Mann. I mean, we got, you know, several stuff like this. I mean, and these other samples and from Captain's Choice, and then you got a million blades in there that it's gonna take me forever to go through, but that's what I love. I love trying different blades and stuff like that, the Darko Prime and all of that stuff. So anyway, I think I've exhausted my talking for now, and I appreciate everybody joining. If you like what I do, subscribe. Don't be afraid to comment. We can have a little convo, and I'll link Matthew's channel in the description in case anybody wants to check him out. I know most of you probably heard of him or saw his videos before. So Matthew Shaves, thanks again for the package, my man. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'll check you guys later on. Have a good week, stay safe, and see you on Sunday, hopefully.